Kori Danda trek. The journey unfolds through a spectacular landscape, towering peaks of Lamjung Himal, Annapurna II, Mount Fishtail, and Manaslu Himal. These inspiring views are sure to leave an indelible mark on your memory. Sikles village can be reached by a 4-hour bus journey from Pokhara. Seeing the village life and beautiful scenery, Sikles is one of the biggest and well-established villages in Kashmir district, Nepal. This is very old and very beautiful village, Sikles. Here begins the 12-hour-long ascent of the Kori trekking, also known as the Trekking Trail. This bridge is the only lifeline of the area. Such bridges in the mountains connect not only geography but also culture. This is the Modi River, formed from melting glacier. The steep 6-hour ascent begins here, to your first stop, Tasa. Stinging nettle, well-known vegetable in Nepal. Its origins are in the colder region of Europe and Asia. It's also used in homeopathy. This trekking route is new and there are some inconveniences, but nothing compared to the amazing views of the enchanting forests, mountains, and Himalayas. Now we have reached Tasa, 3,000 meters above from sea level. What a beautiful sight! We will spend tonight here. Tomorrow we have another 6-hour ascent to climb. Now it's 7 a.m. and our journey begins to Kori. Despite the steep climb, the sound of birds in the forest, the views of the mountains and the Himalayas make the fatigue almost non-existent. Acute altitude sickness arises after at least 4 hours spent at an altitude above 2,000 meters. We have now reached an altitude of 3,300 meters, and the problem of high altitude sickness starts from this altitude itself, which can be fatal. Therefore, trekkers should definitely carry medicines with them. We are now 600 meters away from our final stop, Kori. This trek is primarily a camping tent trek, allowing you to experience the wild beauty of the Annapurna region in its most unspoiled form. As we climb higher and higher, the big trees were less visible. This is an indication that the oxygen level is decreasing. You should not panic, moving forward slowly. Do not rush, otherwise there may be a risk of an accident. These are all memories left by trekkers. Some leave behind memories of happiness, while others leave behind such marks in the memories of those who have lost them. Now, here is Kori, at an altitude of 3,800 meters to 4,000 meters. Immerse yourself in its beauty for a few moments. And all these Himalayas are higher than 6,988 meters to 8,156 meters. Our trails tells how healthy you are, so go for trekking, which is a perfect antidote to not only physical but also stress. Thanks for watching. See you again in a new place and among new people.